The MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer provides a versatile and robust storage solution for any room in your home. This unit features 8 adjustable baskets that allow you to customize the shelf spacing to accommodate various item sizes, from tall bottles to small spice jars. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek black finish, the MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is designed to withstand daily use while seamlessly blending into your existing decor. Installation is straightforward, as the system is designed to hang securely over most standard doors without the need for complex tools or permanent mounting hardware. This convenience makes the MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer an excellent choice for renters or those who prefer a flexible storage arrangement. By utilizing vertical door space, you can effectively declutter your countertops and cabinets, creating a more organized and accessible environment in your kitchen, laundry room, or bathroom. The sturdy construction ensures that your stored items remain stable even when the door is opened and closed frequently. Its modular design allows you to adjust the basket heights to perfectly fit your specific inventory needs, maximizing the utility of every inch of available space. Whether you are looking to streamline your pantry, organize cleaning supplies, or tidy up toiletries, this organizer provides a practical and efficient way to maintain a clean and functional living space. Pros: heavy-duty metal construction, rust-resistant powder coating, adjustable basket height. Includes stability adhesive stickers, easy 5 to 10 minute installation, no drilling or tools required. Versatile multi-room application, space-saving side hooks, durable and does not sag. Cons: requires specific door width, needs door gap clearance, maximum door thickness limit. Features: 8-tier storage design, adjustable metal baskets, over-door mounting, space-saving organizer. Durable black finish, kitchen pantry storage, bathroom accessory holder, laundry room utility. Easy installation process, versatile hanging rack. The MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer provides a versatile and robust storage solution for any room in your home. This unit features 8 adjustable baskets that allow you to customize the shelf spacing to accommodate various item sizes, from tall bottles to small spice jars. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek black finish, the MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is designed to withstand daily use while seamlessly blending into your existing decor. The MSERCUOR 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer offers a highly durable storage solution thanks to its heavy-duty, rust-resistant metal construction that holds items securely without sagging. Users benefit from flexible organization options through adjustable basket heights and versatile application across the kitchen, laundry, or bathroom, all supported by a simple, tool-free installation process that includes stability stickers and space-saving side hooks. However, the unit is not universally compatible, as its performance and fit depend strictly on the specific width, gap clearance, and thickness limits of the door where it is mounted.